Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, thank you so much for the love and support on the first video. Hope you liked it. My intention has always been, providing those contents that are not readily available on the internet and YouTube. So if you like it, please consider subscribing to the channel. There's a subscribe button below. Now, without much further ado, let's get into creating the Azure Blob Storage account. The model we are using is a pay-as-you-go model. Before we head into the topic, for the people, for the ones who are new, so Azure Blob Storage is a key USP of the Microsoft Azure service. So it is a cloud service basically. What it does is containing a lot of unstructured data such as images, your files, and logs, etc. and etc. Now, first of all, what you do is you have to log into Azure Blob Storage login. Go into Google and search for Azure Blob Storage login or sign in. Once you log in, you see there will be get started with Azure or sign in. Since I already have an account, I'll click on sign in. Uh, you can actually create your own free trial account by clicking on get Azure for free. And once you log into the Azure portal, this will be the interface as you can see, right? Now search for storage account, storage account basis. So once you search for it, you see there will be a storage accounts option. Now, if you are newly coming into this, you have to click on create. Now, first of all, creating a resource group. So I'm going to create a new resource group for now, right? So let's say for your X, maybe, yeah, okay. Now, storage account names, you cannot use already existing keywords, right? Secondly, you cannot put any special letters or something, anything like that, and it cannot be a capital letter as well. It has to be small letters or lowercase letters, right? No uppercase letters allowed. So yeah, account I'll keep it for now. Now there are also the performance. There are two options, as you can see. One is your standard, and the other one is your premium, right? So premium is for low latency. Low latency means when you want very minimal time between the data processing or data retrievals from the storage, right? So we click on next. There are few options, okay. One is REST API, okay. Now what you can do is you can click on this checkbox. This generally allows you the option to create your containers to be publicly accessible, right? It doesn't make it mandatory, but yeah, it will provide you the option with once you start creating containers, right? Okay. Now you have network access. Okay, I don't think this is much important right now. Yeah, we'll move forward. So one of the things that I follow a lot is reading each and every of the options, researching about it before choosing one, because Azure is really complex if you don't understand uh, the elements, right? So yeah, we'll go next. Click on next. Now, days to retain deleted containers. That means the number of days after deleting the container, it should be stored in the storage account. So that is one. We'll go next. Keep it 7 only. Next. Yeah, I'll not change for now. So yeah, we are reviewing the account. I think it's reviewed. Now we'll create. Right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. So the deployment is in progress. So once the deployment once the resource group is accepted, you will get a message. What you can do is click on this refresh button once, right? On the top beside the download, you'll see a refresh button. See, the status is accepted. Okay, so it will just take a couple of few seconds more, mostly depending on your internet server, internet strength, right? So yeah, it is deployed. Now go to resource, right? And yeah, go to storage browser. There you go. There is your blob container. You click on it. Now you can add a container. So containers are mostly like your folders on your hard disk, right? And yeah, once I can keep something like a container. Let's make container AC just randomly access P. Yeah. Okay, advanced options are there, you can create it. So my container is created. What I can do is in this folder, this container, I can choose to upload files from my local drives. Yeah, yeah, that is all for now. Now that is how you create an account. Now if you are assuming how you can what will be the pricing model that you can go for, I would like to give you a small brief, if not all. So you just search for pricing Azure Blob Storage. Yeah, so you see there will be an option for Azure pricing calculator. You can just click on it. Yes. So yeah, now choose storage accounts. Now go scroll down. Region is your data center basically where you want to host, right? Next, yeah, let's see, this is pay as you go model, which we are at right now. Now you can actually pre-book it for 1 year or 3 year. That will reduce the cost by a fraction, I think. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, you can definitely check it out, right? Now write operations. That means if you want to upload or modify files, list and create operations, then we have read operations. So it depends upon the number of API requests you can choose, right? This is actually a calculator, so you just the value is already there. Let's say the 0.004 for the all other operations is the value, right? You can choose a number of requests you need per month. I'll give an example. So let's say I need 20 list and create container operations. So if you see, the value is now $1, right? So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for staying till here. Hope you liked it. Again, if you're liking that kind of content that I'm uploading, consider subscribing to the channel. See you on the next video. Thank you.